Christian,
For our fun stop this morning in honor of Heritage Week, we will be making our very own fashionable bandana headpieces. Yay. Our two models this morning are Christine and Sim's got Angel.
When you say fashionable, right?
Yes.
Headpiece.
It's not for just tie up.
Must judge it up.
Yes. I think Kaylon's got some facts about the bandana for us before we embark on this.
Embark is right.
Journey.
Hey. All right.
Okay, you got some facts
She
for
said
us?
she also had some inspo.
Yeah.
Harris don't need no inspo for this.
Oh, she have inspo. No, I mean, we need the inspo.
You don't need inspo, because this is your team.
No.
Okay, run it.
You need the inspo.
We can't, here. Oh, you have scissors over there. There's a lot of bandanas.
Yes.
Do you have a particular preference?
Do the models participate in holding the fabric?
Client.
I mean,
can we cut all the fabric?
That's not bad.
Okay, that's not bad.
Okay, what else?
What else? I just want inspo you give it.
Let's see. So,
watch your finger.
Bandana fabric dates back to 4000 BC.
Okay.
Originally made of silk. It was in the 40s that the plaid pattern and color of the material, along with other symbols, became associated with the heritage and traditions of the ordinary Jamaican people. Did not know that.
Yeah,
you didn't know that?
Yes,
of course you did. Bandani, that's what it was originally called.
India. They use it for a lot of things, yeah.
Me know. Ba 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 ba. Ba
yes,
ba ba ba.
Fun fact too. The word bandana comes from the Hindi word bandana, which means to tie. Okay. In the 18th and 19th centuries, the material, a red and white plaid or red, yellow, and orange check fabric, was brought in as silk from India. Yes, it's India. Don't look over it.
So wow, this is a lot of fabrics.
It's a lot of fabric.
Like
and the two smallest headbands from Jamaica.
Right?
So we wrap them. It's the two smallest heads.
Can you lift your ponytail for me? Also, can you remove your gloss? Thanks.
Glass? Then they go around our eye? Yes, class. Fun fact 3. Then we have Suwana reed. It was originally used to make the head tie and apron of female Jamaican farmers and vendors in the market, yeah. You used to put them little money in it, you know.
Yikes. Sorry, mommy. You okay?
Did someone just blinded
I feel like it's a pair of drapes. I put on an angel face.
It's a lot. It is a lot of fabric. Christine? No, she's not revival, Claire. I'm going to ask me if I put pens, so. Christine, I hold for fabric, listen.
No. We don't have to use all of it. That's not part
No,
of
we're not wasting nothing.
What? Well, I'm finished with Angel.
Yeah?
Yeah. Stop touching my... Yes?
Angel?
Yellow ribbon for the one. On her birthday.
She finished with you. I'm going to tell you something.
Hey, Harris. Hey. Tell it to the judge.
Look out that road.
This is not going into the hand. That's why I can't.
Me like Christine, you know. Christine just sit down here and say, oh my God, whatever is going on, I'm
Angel
with it.
not protest neither. Whether that's a good or a bad thing.
Angel should have protested.
Stop it nice. Somebody never asked you something. The mother was not asked to speak. The mother was asked to muggle. How much muggle you know talk?
Why you say that?
You don't see what Davida Bennett do. She pose and stop.
A whole heap of fabric doing it.
I'm not putting no white in your head, Angel Jesus. Because, see mine now? Bows are in. So it's a traditional wrap with a... Yikes. Christine, somebody give you a joke over there? If you lose your work.
Christine, I laugh, but I know why she laugh.
We must lose our job.
She knows if we are idiot, that's why she laugh.
I must.
Okay.
It's not bad. Wait, your eyebrow them gone is color, covered. I don't mean to stare for your eyebrow. So you see,
it's a lot of fabric to be fashionable.
You know what the top gonna do with? Or this piece, it don't go in your head.
Kyle, me not look my hair in your face. It's not giving me any support. They'll worse.
This is a part of the outfit.
Okay.
Just don't, just smile and nod.
Okay.
Just smile and nod.
Wait, you know, stay me. I forgot.
It's your model roll. Lift up your arm.
I forgot pin.
Christine, who give you a joke over there?
I don't know why.
Angel, why are you laughing?
I don't know why they told them I laugh, but not, you know, say.
Oh, ye a flick of faith and you coming like brother Maffey.
Yeah.
I bet you don't know who that is.
Cool. How long we have for this?
We have 1 minute and 27 seconds left. Although,
Okay.
you feel like you're sophisticated?
No.
It's tight?
Hold
As
on.
long as you can breathe.
Reach around our chest.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, it is really
Hey. Christine, you couldn't mug for me again, you know, that may I tell you. Too many talkings. You're a distract. Right. So, true. This don't bad. Right, Angel? Okay. Good answer.
Look at me. Oh my God.
Wanna get up, please?
Touch it too
The two of you stand. Here, you want some pink?
There you have it.
Stand up, guys. You have to model. Can
Model?
you see without your
Now
glasses?
walk
Because I
us in
can't.
the head, me not-
Hey, man, you make your top drop off.
Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go. Bandana fashion face off.
So
Angel.
turn around, Angel, so they can see the back. Ladies, this is giving traditional with a serving of
Madness.
modern. No, wrong M. Modern.
Modern.
Yes, because bows are in, Chris. Did you not know that bows are in?
Yes.
Right, so the yellow is the accent of not only a nod to the
Chris,
heritage,
to turn around. Chris,
to
they
the
want
gold
you
and
to
the
spin
flag,
around so they
but
can see.
also the Chris, your head feel heavy?
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! I buck up.
Would you like me
but
to
it
speak about my
worked.
top?
I buck up, Chris, but it worked.
You don't want me to talk about the top?
Yes, it worked.
Anyway, you both wear it very well.
They do.
Yeah.
Some more than
We do.
Oh, wow. Some more than others. This muggle, I don't like this muggle here. Don't bring her back.
I like this
I
model.
don't bring her back.
This model says, I'm demure, cute. Yeah.
Even if not mindful.
Yes.
Oh, no, don't bad.
Yeah. Eh? Oh my gosh, Clive. That was so bad what you just said. Simone, did you hear what Clive? Clive, I thought you loved Simone, dude. That's it. That is our fun stuff for the morning, folks. Please call us, place your orders for your Heritage Week look for this week. If Clive returns, we'll see. That's our fun stuff.
To all my